What's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about commercial jobs and how you can create upsells on them. If you want to learn how you can land big jobs like this, go check out the first link in the comment section and the description. That'll be a link to our Local Domination 2 course, and that'll show you exactly what you need to know on how to land big jobs like this with little to no ad spend. So the first thing we came and cleaned in this facility, in this complex, is these dumpster pads. We got a call through a Google ad, and they said that they needed their dumpster pads cleaned. So basically what that consists of is coming in, cleaning all the trash up around the dumpster pad, and surface cleaning the concrete around the dumpster, and just cleaning it up, making it look nice. And you can upsell and get these on a recurring basis a lot of the times, or there'll be upsells that'll come up while you're actually cleaning them, like this rust stain right here. We did pitch the rust stain to them. They didn't go for it yet, but we just came in and we were able to upsell them on the parking lot striping. We noticed that the lawns were fading real bad and needed to be redone. So we pitched that idea to them whenever we first came out and did the dumpster pads, and they went for it. We sent them a bid the same day. They went for the parking lot striping. So we're getting that knocked out right now. There'll be another video coming out on issues that you run into whenever you're striping parking lot within these facilities, and having to get with the tenants and the property manager and talk about times that you can come in, getting everybody to move over from one space to the other. There'll be a video coming out on that, so be sure to check that out. Another upsell on this property that we're going to talk about is the actual roofs and the stucco. So I initially mentioned this to him whenever we first came out to do the dumpster pads. He did say send him a bid on that. I was waiting until we came back out here because, as you can see, some of these roofs are fairly new and don't really need to be cleaned. The other ones definitely need to be hit. They're black, the stucco is black, so I'm gonna get a drone shot to where I can map out exactly which ones are dirty and which ones aren't. I'm gonna get that bid sent out to him. So with the parking lot striping, we've already been able to double our money on this job just from cleaning 4 dumpster pads. We're gonna send him the bid for the roofs and the stucco. Again, if you wanna learn how to land jobs just like this, go check out that link in the comment section and description. Local Domination 2. My name's Jacob with Veteran Pro Wash, and until next time, y'all stay happy, humble, and money hungry. Peace.